Hi guys, it's Terry with Central Valley Air Gunners and FoxAirPower.com. How y'all doing, man? Check this out. This is a Rapid Airworks HM1000X. This is the chassis model. It's a 30 caliber. It's a beautiful air gun. We're gonna run some ammo through it today and see how she does, so let's get to it. All right, you guys, we're gonna check out these JSB Exacts. These are 44.75 grain pellets. Let's see how the gun likes these. Wow. Double wow. Great group. Great group.
Yeah, I mean, just look at that group. Did I say mind-blowing? I mean, mind-blowing. All three of those shots are inside of the red bullseye. All three of them. That is a super tight group. Okay, and that group is with the JSB Exact 44.75s.
Okay, man. Now we're going to check out some more JSBs. These are Hades 44.75s. It's a hunting pellet. Let's see how the gun likes these. Nice shot.
That's going on my center.
Wow.
What?
Wow. This thing's something else. Nice.
All right, I mean, just look at that. Look how tight that group is. Another super tight, mind-blowing group. This is with the JSB Hades 44.75s.
All right, now we're going to check out some FX pellets. These are 44.8 grain. Let's see what the gun does with these. This thing's fast. Sweet. This is laying down some groups, man. It's laying down some groups. Love it.
All right, another super tight group. I mean, that's 3 shots looking like 2, right? All right, and that's with the FX pellets. These are 44.8s.
All right, man, now we're gonna stick with some more FX pellets. These are 50.2 grain. They're a little bit heavier than the last ones. Let's see what the gun does with these. Wow. Damn, this is another just mind-blowing group. Very good, very good.
What? I mean, look at that. Look how tight that group is. This gun is laying down some super tight groups, and it's making it super easy to do so. Okay, man, that group is with the FX pellets. Those are 50.2s.
Alright, you guys, now we're going to check out some AEA Center Punch. These are 50.5 grain pellets. Let's see how the gun likes these. Bullseye. Good stuff, man. Alright, got hole in hole down there somewhere. I can't tell which hole. Looks like I got 2 holes down there, 3 shots. Let's go check it out.
Alright, another mind-blowing group. All 3 of those shots have affected the red center bullseye. And again, that's 3 shots looking like 2. And this group is with the AEA Center Punch, 50.5 grains.
Alright, man. Now we're going to check out some more Center Punch. These are AEA Center Punch 66.2 grain pellets. Big old massive pellet, man. Okay. That's a pretty crazy cool group, man. Let's go check that out.
Wow, and would you look at that group there, man? All 3 of those shots inside the 10 ring, man. And this is with a real heavy AEA Center Punch, 66.2 grain.
Alright, you guys, bonus group. These are Predator Polymags, man. This thing, they fit in the magazine. I mean, these are 44.75s. Let's see what the gun does with these. All right. So far, so good. Sweet, that's a nice freaking group. That's the Predator Polymags, man. I mean, this gun lays down some groups pretty easily too. I mean, it just shoots where you want it to go, like reads in my mind. It's an amazing gun. Very pleased with this gun.
And oh boy, would you look at that group, man. Look at that group. That is another tight, mind-blowing group. And that's with the Predator Polymags, man, the 44.75s. And they do fit inside the magazine. I'm super pleased with this group. Alright, I certainly had a great day out here today with the Rapid Air Worx HM1000X. This is the 30 caliber air gun. Man, if you guys want to impress your air gun buddies and shoot like a pro, get this gun. This is a mind-blowing, super accurate, super easy to shoot, and beautiful air gun. Cool. Thanks for letting me share this gun today, man. I mean, this is really something. Alright, man. Everything I showed you in today's video, I have in stock here at foxairpower.com. So head on over to foxairpower.com and check it out. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Okay, man. I had a great day today out here with the Rapid Air Worx HM1000X chassis rifle. This is Terry with Central Valley Air Gunners and foxairpower.com. I want to thank everybody for being here, and thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.